So we are in Uganda, Kampala, which is the capital city of Uganda, guys. So it's my first time here in this amazing nation, guys. So briefly, Uganda is a country in East Africa having 50 million population, guys. And the most spoken language here is English, and they do also speak local language like Luganda and Swahili, which is the local language. So it's my first time here, and I'm also so curious to explore and to show you and to experience the cultural traditional life, guys. So I just came up in one tallest building here. I don't know the name, but I came up here so that I can show you the beautiful and amazing view of Kampala, capital city of Uganda, so that you can have the amazing view. So from this side you can see, like, this is mostly, like, you can see this is the local, like, downtown, you can say. And coming to my left side, this is where you will find the most of the tallest building, or you can say you can see the skyscrapers of Uganda in this side. Okay guys, so I go down, we are going to walk and have the look of Kampala city, guys. So you can see that was the building. I was on the top of it showing you the Kampala from the rooftop. So now let's get down and get to know much physically by walk, guys. So it's my first time, as I told you, in Kampala, Uganda, guys. And what I can see so far, according to my own point of view, guys, like here people have a lot of means of transport, and the most used one is which they call it boda boda. You can see all those bikes around here. This is what they call it boda boda, and the most that people use it here.